Alright, today one of my tasks is to replace the dryer's not working and use YouTube diagnostic techniques to find out that it's likely the thermistor, yes, thermistor, doesn't work anymore. So I'm going to be using YouTube to replace the thermistor. Great videos on how to do appliance repairs. Always make sure you unplug it because you don't want to get shocked by this bad boy. So I've taken off the screws out, taken out the screws here. Got to remove the lint screen, and then you can remove this to get at to where the thermistor is, somewhere in here. I think it's right here. So I got to watch the rest of the YouTube video and replace it. I'll check back in with you if that's what it works. If not, I'll be replacing the. I also already got the part for it. The tells you how hot the dryer gets. I mean what is this piece? This is the thermo. It's the regulator. It regulates the heat through the electricity, rather than the part that tells me how hot it is, that senses the heat. All right, that's what I'm gonna be doing today. I'll check back in a second. Let you know how long it takes. It could probably take 5 minutes or 5 hours, depending on how well I do. All right, I think this is important to see, because this is part of the reason dryers overheat. Is when I took off this piece to get to the parts I'm replacing right here. Now you can't see those, but just wanted to show you that this is the lint. Look at that. This is the lint. You gotta get a good look at this. Light's not the best, but that's the lint that's caught right past the lint screen. The lint screen that's in here, it goes, our lint screen right here, the air's blowing through. That's all the lint that's caught there. So, big reason for house fires, and we did not do a very good job of cleaning this out. I should be checking this at least once a year. It's easy to take off, really easy. So at least once a year I should be getting in here and getting out this lint. All right, public service announcement over. Alrighty, I got all those parts replaced. Dryer still doesn't work, and then I got a new error code on the machine. Not only was the thermistor and the thermal shutoff bad, the heating coil's broken. Didn't know that till I got through those other error things. I should have just bought them all to replace, but now I have to wait another 2 or 3 days so we can get the part in and I can fix the dryer completely. So that's how these tasks go sometimes. Time to hang some more clothes outside. Let's go, Ashton. The Flip Master. Flip Master. Right here. Go flip. Doesn't matter. Woo! Backflip.
She asked us to do backflip.
Woo! Oh, backflip the front flip.
These are good. Scared. Sit on the chair.
Sit.
Just sit down.
What?
Because I want to see if it actually goes down.
No, it doesn't. That was me jumping. It wasn't me just sitting on it. Ready for my front flip? Yeah.
This is what your butt looks
Ready for? No. Ready for my front flip?
like. Is that your thumbnail? Yeah! That was good!
More sideways. One more time. One more.
Nice one.
Oh, get in there.
You're doing it!
Gotta get my feet under. Woo!
Try this.
Side flip. That was more of a back flip.
That was that flip!
right, later, dude.
What? That's 2 seconds.
Oh, there's another net. Let's see if I ever be able to do a backflip. Ah! That hurts. Double bounce!
No.
Double bounce! Double bounce! Double bounce! Double bounce! Let me throw you.
What?
Get the camera. Ready? 1, 2, 3, up! Here you go! Later. The ladder hurts your feet.
What?
Said the ladder hurts your feet.
Let's look at
All right. Woo! What a workout.